Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix your device has been banned in Litmatch app and walk you through a few simple steps to try and get your access back. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and clear the cache in the Litmatch app. To do that, tap on the Settings app on your phone, scroll down until you see the Apps option and click on it to proceed. Step 2. From the Apps menu, go to the search bar at the top and type in the name Litmatch app. Then select it from the search results when it appears. Step 3. Inside the app settings, scroll down and tap on the storage option. You'll see two options there, clear cache and clear data. Tap on both to clear them. If that doesn't work, no worries, we'll try updating the app next. Step 4. Now head back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store app. You'll find it on your home screen or in the apps drawer. Step 5. In the Play Store menu, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Litmatch app. Then tap on the search result to open the app's page. Step 6. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap on it to install the latest version. If you don't see an update, you can try reinstalling the app. Just tap uninstall, confirm it, and once it's removed, tap on install to get a fresh version. Step 7. After the installation is complete, open the app and log into your account as usual and fix it. If the ban is still there, some users say a message may appear on the screen showing a picture and a note like 800 diamond unban now. If you see that, tap on it and follow the instructions to pay the fee and unban your account easily. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.